Hi, today we are going to see how to configure NFS in simple steps. I'm just taking two servers. One is NFS server and let me check the IP. The IP is 192.168.29.30 and I will take the server as a client. This is the CentOS server. The IP is 192.168.29.31. So first we need to install the packages, NFS related packages. I'm just installing the package. The NFS installation has been completed, and the second step, we need to configure the NFS share. Before configuring the NFS share, we need to create an NFS share. I'm just creating as named as NFS share. So we are going to share this NFS share over the network, and we are going to mount it in a client server. The configuration we need to do is we need to edit the etc exports file, and we need to provide the mount point, which is NFS share, and I'm just allowing for all the servers. We can provide it as star, and I'm just giving the permission for our read write and sync. So I have configured the NFS share. Now we need to restart the NFS services. NFS server dot service. We have restarted. The NFS server setup is over, and we can mount the NFS share into the client server by the command mount.nfs4. The NFS, we need to provide the NFS share IP 30. In that we are sharing NFS share. Okay, before that we need to create a mount point in the client server. I'm just creating a name called share. I just want to mount the NFS share. .29.30, the NFS share to the mount point share. So there is no such file or directory. Let's see what is the issue. Okay, the issue is the command we need to install the NFS utilities. Just now we try to mount this share. Now it is mounted. So now we can see, we put df-h So you can see this server NFS share is mounted into this client server as a /share. So now we can check whether data is getting transferred or not. I'm just going to create a file in the NFS share. Inside there is no files are there. I'm just going to create. I'm just creating a file, NFS test file .txt. We'll just check whether the file is transferred over the network or not. See, you can see the NFS test file here. So this is way we need to configure the NFS server. So thank you for watching this video.